If you've ever been stopped in your tracks by that frustrating access denied error while trying to visit a website in Google Chrome, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through several tried and true solutions to help you regain access. So by the end of this video, those roadblocks will be a thing of the past. Let's dive right in and tackle this step by step. First up, clearing your cache and cookies. You might be thinking, how could something as simple as browser data cause this problem? Well, over time, Chrome collects temporary files and little bits of info from your browsing habits. If any of that becomes corrupted, it can actually lock you out of certain sites. So let's take a moment to clear things out. Just open Chrome's settings, head over to Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. I recommend selecting both cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Don't worry if it takes a minute to process, especially if you haven't done this in a while. Once that's done, try reloading the website and see if things have improved. If you're still having trouble, let's check your extensions. Sometimes, a browser extension meant to help, like an ad blocker or privacy tool, can end up causing trouble instead. Head to Chrome's extensions, or you can find extensions under the More Tools menu. Disable all of them for now and test the problematic website again. If things start working, you can enable your extensions one at a time to pinpoint exactly which one was causing the issue. Treat it like detective work. Sometimes the culprit is just one sneaky extension that's blocking access unintentionally. Another possible cause is malware. And yes, even if you've been careful with downloads, it's worth checking. Malicious software can interfere with your browser and block certain websites altogether. Run a full antivirus scan on your computer. This part might take a bit, so feel free to grab a cup of coffee. If anything pops up, let your antivirus clean it up, then try visiting the site again. VPNs and proxies can be super useful, but they also love to complicate things. If you're using a VPN or proxy, go ahead and turn it off temporarily. Sometimes these tools route your traffic through locations that the website doesn't allow, or they mask your data in a way that raises security flags. Disable them and test the website. If it loads fine, you'll know the VPN or proxy was at fault. Let's get a bit more advanced. If none of these basic steps worked, it's time to reset Chrome's settings. This option resets your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and disables your extensions while also clearing out temporary bits like cookies. Go to Chrome's settings and look for Reset Settings. Don't worry, it won't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords, just those minor customizations. After you reset, give the website another shot. Now, let's make sure your network settings aren't getting in the way. Head to your computer's network settings and double-check that no stray proxy settings are lingering. Sometimes, an old setting can hang around and block sites without you realizing. Another handy trick is to renew your computer's IP address. Think of this as refreshing your place in line on the internet. Occasionally, outdated or mismatched network info can trip you up. Renewing your IP disperses any lingering connection issues and may allow the website to load properly. Before we wrap up, always make sure you're running the latest version of Chrome. Google constantly releases security patches and bug fixes, and being out of date sometimes causes compatibility problems. Head to Chrome's menu and look for About Google Chrome. If there's an update, grab it. And for a quick test, give Incognito Mode a try. Open an incognito window and see if the site loads there. Since extensions and old cookies are temporarily ignored, Incognito can help you rule out those factors quickly. Finally, try accessing the site from a different browser, like Firefox or Edge. If it works there and not in Chrome, you'll know for sure the issue is isolated to Chrome and can follow up with more targeted fixes. And that's it, a whole toolkit for getting past the access denied error in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. Got questions or run into a tricky step? Drop a comment down below. And if you want more clear, practical tech tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.